The Sportsman 200 medical kit contains enough first aid supplies for a group of 4 on trips up to 4 days. Add this wilderness first aid kit to your hunting gear, snowmobile backpack, ATV bag, fishing gear, or archery equipment so you can head outdoors confident that you're prepared. Every kit features a unique external map listing all its contents. Inside the kit are clear pockets that are organized and labeled by injury, so you know exactly where to reach. The wound care pocket features an irrigation syringe to clean wounds, butterfly closure bandage to close wound edges, and sterile dressings to protect wounds. The blister pocket has pre-cut moleskins to treat hot spots and blisters, including medications to treat allergic reactions, itches, pain and fever, inflammation, and diarrhea. The cuts and scrapes section includes our exclusive Easy Open technology, easy access bandages, antibiotic ointment, and wipes. Adventure Medical Kit's exclusive manual, a comprehensive guide to wilderness and travel medicine, is an indispensable resource that provides instructions for diagnosis and treatment, illustrates life-saving and trip-extending solutions, and includes step-by-step detailed guidance for using your kit's contents. It's like having a doctor in your bag. Stop bleeding fast with a trauma pad and nitrile gloves, including high-quality instruments like EMT shears and splinter tick remover forceps. The Sportsman Series medical kits provide you with the highest quality first aid supplies and medical information based on the most current guidelines in wilderness emergency medicine. Be prepared for your next adventure by ordering your kit today.